In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open PowerPoint in Google Slides. In the digital age where cloud services and online platforms are becoming increasingly integrated into our daily work and personal lives, having the ability to seamlessly transition between different formats and software is more important than ever. One common need is the ability to open Microsoft PowerPoint presentations in Google Slides, Google's free web-based presentation program. This video aims to guide you through the process in a simple and efficient way, ensuring that you can easily access and edit your PowerPoint documents using Google Slides. To begin, let's navigate to your Google Drive. Google Drive is Google's cloud storage service, where you can keep all your documents safely stored and easily accessible from anywhere, on any device with internet access. Upon reaching Google Drive, you'll notice its user-friendly interface designed to make your experience smooth and hassle-free. Next, look for the +E icon, typically located in the top left corner of the screen. This plus symbol is your gateway to adding new files or folders to your Google Drive. Click on this icon to bring up several options and select the one that allows you to upload files from your computer. From here, you will want to locate the PowerPoint file you wish to open in Google Slides. Whether it's a work presentation, a school project, or anything in between, browse through your computer's file system until you find the PowerPoint file. Once you've located it, click to select it, and then proceed to upload it to your Google Drive. After the PowerPoint file has been uploaded to Google Drive, the next step is simply to right-click on the file. Right-clicking on any item in Google Drive will open a context menu filled with various actions you can take regarding that particular file. Among these options, you'll find Open With. This is where Google's compatibility with different file formats shines. By hovering over or clicking on Open With, Google Drive will display a list of available applications compatible with the file format you've uploaded. In our case, you'll want to look for Google Slides in the list of available applications and click on it. This action instructs Google Drive to open the PowerPoint file not just as a static document, but within the Google Slides environment. What this means is that you will now be able to view, edit, and collaborate on your PowerPoint presentation as if it were originally created in Google Slides. This feature is particularly useful for those who prefer Google Slides interface or need to collaborate with others who use Google Slides. It's worth mentioning a few tips and pieces of advice to ensure your experience is as smooth as possible. First, while Google Slides does an excellent job at preserving the formatting and content of PowerPoint presentations, there may be occasional discrepancies in design elements or animations. It's a good idea to review your presentation in Google Slides to make any necessary adjustments. Second, take advantage of the collaboration features Google Slides offers. Once your PowerPoint is in Google Slides, you can easily share the document with colleagues or classmates, work on it simultaneously, and even leave comments or suggestions. This collaborative aspect is what makes Google Slides an excellent tool for group projects and remote work. Lastly, remember that any changes you make in Google Slides can be saved directly to Google Drive. Additionally, you can always download your edited presentation as a PowerPoint file, among other formats, ensuring maximum flexibility and compatibility with whoever needs to view or continue working on the presentation. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to open PowerPoint in Google Slides. This method not only saves you time by eliminating the need to manually convert files, but also leverages the full suite of features offered by Google Slides, making your presentations more accessible, collaborative and efficient. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply someone looking to streamline their workflow, understanding how to move between PowerPoint and Google Slides is a valuable skill in today's digital landscape. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. Stay tuned for more helpful guides and tips to make the most out of your digital experience.